Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. And today, you remember last time where I put it up, and here's my phone, where I put my phone on rice and toothpaste and blah blah blah. And today we're gonna be opening it because it said you only have to wait 1 hour. So yeah, we're gonna be opening it right now. See if it actually works. Okay, there we go. So I have my iPhone right here. And we're gonna see if it works. I'm not actually, honestly, really scared because I have no idea what's gonna happen. But, oh my god, look at me. So it's still in the case. It looks like it's terrible. That we're gonna take it and take the rice off. Rip it actually. Oh my god, look at freaking. It looks so freaking weird. Look at that. Oh my god, all the rice came off. We're gonna use the napkin that I put it in. I'm just gonna try and scrape it off. But I don't think this worked. Oh my god, look at that. That's disgusting. Yeah. Something will come right off. It's not. I'm gonna use a wipe. The wipe. See if it'll help it come off better. Oh yeah, gross. Disgusting. This is really, really good. Disgusting. Like, you don't even know how gross this is. Oh my god. Holy Jesus. Okay, so I took all the rice off, but I still have toothpaste on it. And then I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna charge it. I have to go eat bread on top of my sister. Ugh. So disgusting. Oh my god, my phone is so like sticky. Ew. Okay, I need more wipes. Okay, so wet. And we're gonna just like goodness. But what if this actually works? I'll be so freaking happy. Well, of course I need to clean my phone, but I'll still be happy. But I'm so freaking scared. What if this works? Look at my phone right now. It still looks like it's been destroyed. I don't know if this works. Does it work for him? I have no idea if it's gonna work for me. Looks disgusting. And his phone was like so cracked. Look. Jesus Christ. There's still some rice too. I will also continue my other YouTube channel on this phone. So go ahead, I'll put the link in the description for my other YouTube channel. So you can go ahead and watch it. But make sure to watch this video. And so you can learn. So first watch this video and then go to the description so you can find my channel. So I'm going to wait a while because it's still a little wet because of the wet wipe. But my phone looks pretty much the same, actually. Kind of looks a little better, but still won't turn on. It's probably dead. So once I figure out if this actually works, I will charge it. And if my phone turns on, I swear to Jesus Lord, I will start to cry. Literally, I will be so happy. But I'll meet you guys in a few minutes to tell you if this phone actually works. Okay, so my phone still will not turn on, but we're gonna try turning it just to see what would happen.
Oh my god.
Iba, aparece Tagalog.
Okay, we're gonna wait for a while.
Y aparece Tagalog.